This is a video about how plants and animals adapt to different environments. This is an animal that is adapted to the desert environment, the camel. Deserts are hot and dry and winds blow sand all around. And so, camels have long eyelashes to keep the sand out of their eyes. They can also go a week without water, as they drink up to 32 gallons of water at once. They have wide feet so they can walk on sand easily, and they store fat in their humps, and the fat is metabolized for energy. Camels also have thick lips that help them eat prickly desert plants. Their ears are covered in hair inside and out and keeps the sand. Like I've mentioned before, the desert is really hot and really dry, and so the cactus has features about it that help them survive in this environment. For instance, their leaves are reduced to little spines that reduce water loss. In addition, they have roots that grow deep into the sand so it can absorb more water. The stem of the cactus is thick and fleshy so it can store water and stay alive in the heat. The spines are sharp and prevent predators from eating them, so it's sort of like a protection for the plant. Next, I'm going to talk about the giraffe and how it has adapted to their environment. Giraffes live in areas like savannas and grasslands, where it's usually hot and have lots of insects and flies around. And so the giraffe uses its black tuft at the end of its tail to swat flies away and keep them away from its rump. Since the giraffe has such long legs, they have developed a split-legged posture for when they need to drink water out of a water hole. And when they do, they drink 12 gallons of water at one time. Their long necks help them feed on treetops, and their long and tough tongues allow them to pull leaves from branches without being hurt by the thorns. Their spotted coat camouflages giraffes among the trees. This is an animal that lives in the Arctic regions, where it is extremely cold. It is the penguin. Penguins have webbed feet that help them swim very fast. Their wings, that are shaped like flippers, also help them swim at speeds up to 15 meters per hour. Penguins keep warm by the help of their thick skin and lots of flap, or blubber. Their tightly packed feathers overlap to provide waterproofing and warmth in the freezing temperatures. Some examples of Arctic plants include the purple saxifrage. These flowers are small in size. They grow close together and close to the ground to protect themselves from the cold. Plants like the prairie crocus have fuzzy coverings on the stems, the leaves, and their buds. This protects them from the strong winds. Some have cup-shaped flowers like the Arctic poppy. This is so that they face the sun, and the sun's rays are towards the center of the flower, so they stay warmer than the air around them.